Hey guys, welcome to Rocket City Outdoors. I'm out here on Wheeler Lake, which is the June stop for the 2024 Bassmaster Elite Series. In this video, I want to introduce to you my Skeeter line of battery disconnect switch brackets. These brackets mount in your battery compartment lip. In the corners fits a Blue Sea series or your generic battery disconnect switch. This bracket right here fits exactly in the corner and can hold a flow right remote drain valve plug switch. And then this one is what I'm calling the triple threat. It can hold 3 battery switches or 2 battery switches and a remote drain plug switch as well. In order to adapt it to a remote drain plug switch, you need to have this adapter bracket here. These brackets are a perfect fit to the I-Class series of Skeeters, ZX, FX, and FXRs. The triple threat fits exactly a battery compartment that has your push rod lift piston for your compartment lid on the outside of the bilge compartment lip. If your bracket for the push rod piston is on the inside of the lip, these will fit, but you're gonna have to remove one piston rod. And some of my customers have done this and they said just having one lift piston is plenty enough. So they removed one from whichever side they wanted to, then this will fit exactly. If you don't want to do that, I sell a straight run, what I'm calling, which is basically just a non-corner battery disconnect switch bracket right here. So you can mount it to any straight run, either, you know, the lip edge going left to right or forward to aft on your boat. I also sell just a flat bracket. If you want to hang it down off the lip, you can just use 3 screws here or rivets, whichever one you want to do. This is also another option. I've had several customers for these brackets and everyone that I've had so far is very satisfied. I've received some customer photos and everything looks great. I like the black matte powder coat. It matches well with the Skeeter compartment lip. Everything to date has been perfect. If you got any questions, please don't hesitate to hit me up. If you want to purchase any of these for your Skeeter boat, go to rocketcityoutdoors.com. If you have any questions, hit me up through the contact page. Thanks for watching.